E-Type 4.2 and 3.8 for that matter, Series 1 armrests essentially. They're also used in the XK150. These components here that are made by BAS, this is the black plastic, taupe plastic, the molded foam, that's of course cut down the middle there to form two pieces. It's a molded urethane foam, perfect reproduction of the taupe plastic. The chrome finisher, it has a protection on it, it's actually stainless steel. And then the bases themselves, there's also screws included with this. These are the components that make up the armrest. They are included in our major kit for the 150s, and I believe they're available as an option for the E-Types, both Roadster and fixed head. And I think that's a pretty good overview. I think I'll add an episode showing these fully upholstered and put together so that you can see what they're like when they're done.